Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Great car, guys. Original Mach 1 car, good solid Virginia body. Really a nice car. It's finished in the bright yellow. It's got all the black Mach 1 striping. It's got the Magnum 500 wheels on it. Body and paint wise, it's an older restoration. He said it was done about 12 years ago. Mechanically, it says it's got less than 500 miles on a 351 Cleveland engine in it. Good car, runs out good, drives good. Good, like I say, good solid straight Virginia body. Again, it is a true Mach 1. Lots of trim options. You can see it's got the rear deck spoiler, the rear window louvers. Really a good car. When the guy was straight up, he said that they had fixed. I think he said they put a floor pan in the driver's side. He said he did have a couple little patches that he had to put in the trunk. But again, good car, good straight car, runs out good, detailed up nice. There's a few little marks in the paint as we walk around. You can see a couple little touch-up marks, little scrape marks in it. Of course, the bumper, it's got the Enduro bumper. It's got a few little cracks in it. Again, good car. We do have a new antenna mast on the way, guys. That one got bent in shipping. It's got the ram air hood. It's got a couple of really cool options. Ram air hood, of course, rear window louvers. The car is, it's actually oxidized primer underneath. Brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, it's got the rear window louvers, rear deck spoiler. Gas cap on this car is super cool. And it is a true Mach 1. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. Good looking car. It's got the Magnum 500s, Cooper Cobras all the way around it. It does have the front disc brakes, chin spoilers. Detailed up, really nice underneath the hood. This is a professionally done engine rebuild too. I'll put the name of it in the ad that did it. 351 Cleveland, though. Power steering, does have power front disc brakes. Again, it's got the ram air. I believe it does have headers on it as well. Looks like they've got some polyurethane bushings in there. FMX automatic trans. This guy actually had two Mustangs. He had this with both yellow, both painted same color. He had two of them. He had a 70 Mach and this one. I tried to buy the pair of them, but I just thought he was just a little too high on the 70. Original door tag. And a couple little cracks in the trim there. Bucket seats, got the center console shifter. It's a tach and gauge car. $32,953. I'm assuming that's 132. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's factory 9-inch rear end. Not a big monster Well, where'd Jordy go? Not real sure where he went. He's got the keys to open the trunk. Well, gotta open the trunk here, Putz. Oh, the wind might have done. Yeah, storm's coming. Yep, factory jack's in there, spares in there. He spackle coated the trunk. Jordy's got me off my game here a little bit. Normally I show you this first. Painted real nice. Like I say, it's nice underneath. They've oxidized primered the floorboards. Yeah, it's detailed up nice underneath there. Got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Yeah, not a big monster gear, just a stock gear in it. Seats are good. Gauges are nice and clean. It's a good car. It's already fired up. Door handles are good. Again, it's got the dual sport mirrors on it. Said less than 500 miles on this since he had the engine redone. Nothing, you know, radical, maybe a little cam to it, kind of standard rebuild. I like these cars, man. I think they're very underrated. This car sounds good. That wind. Back works. We got to check on the fuel gauge, you said, right, Jordy?
Yeah.
Other gauges over there working, yep, good old pressure. And then the other thing that Jordan said we got to check on is the front turn signals weren't working. We'll check those. It's probably just a plug or something. Backup lights work. Sometimes we're in there just we've been guilty when they're in there cleaning or something. Radio works, all the gauges work, blower motor, yep, okay, it works. Doors open and close, nice. Again, the only thing he said those front, they're on, they're lighting up, they're just not blinking? Okay. Yeah, we'll have to check it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way that you can keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button here at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post another one of these videos. Have a great day, guys.